In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Asana. Refreshing Asana is a simple way to make sure you're seeing the most up-to-date tasks, comments, and project changes. It's especially helpful if something looks out of sync, a page seems stuck, or you've been working in a tab for a while and want to pull in the latest updates. There are 3 easy ways to do it, and I'll walk you through each one so you can use whichever feels most natural. If you're on Windows, the quickest method is the keyboard shortcut. With your Asana window active, press Ctrl and R together, you'll see the page reload, and Asana will pull fresh data from your workspace. This is great when your hands are already on the keyboard and you want a fast, no-mouse refresh. Give it a second to complete, especially if you're working with large projects or many attachments. If you're on a Mac, the process is nearly identical. Click into your Asana window and press Command and R. Just like on Windows, the page will reload and any new tasks, status updates, or comments from your teammates will appear. This shortcut is a reliable go-to when something looks off or you want to confirm that your change is synced. You can also refresh Asana using your browser's reload button. Look for the circular arrow icon next to the address bar, click that icon and the page will reload. This method is helpful when you prefer visual controls or if keyboard shortcuts aren't your thing. It's also useful if you're already moving your cursor around the toolbar or switching between tabs. After clicking, watch for the loading indicator to finish so you know everything has updated. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Asana saves most changes automatically, so you typically won't lose edits when you refresh. Still, if you're in the middle of typing a long comment or adding a task description, consider finishing that entry before reloading. If you're uploading files, let those uploads complete before you refresh to avoid interrupting them. And if you work across multiple tabs or windows, refresh the one you're actively using to make sure you're looking at the latest version of your project. That's it. On Windows, press Ctrl plus R. On Mac, press Command plus R. Or click the reload button next to your browser's address bar. Use whichever method fits your workflow, and you'll keep Asana current and reliable every time you check in.